Lost your key fob or need to program a new one for your 2012 Mazda 6? Good news, you can likely do it yourself without special tools. This segment covers the basics. The 2012 Mazda 6 uses a remote keyless entry (RKE) system operating on a 314 MHz frequency. Programming involves synchronizing the fob's radio frequency transmitter with your car's receiver module. You'll need your ignition key and the new fob. Make sure you have all existing fobs available during the process, as programming a new fob will overwrite any previously programmed fobs that are not present during the programming sequence. Incorrect programming can lock you out of your vehicle or require dealer intervention, so pay close attention to these instructions. As of 2025, this process remains consistent with the original design, though Mazda advises reprogramming fobs after battery replacements to prevent sync issues. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition from off to on without starting the engine and back to off rapidly, repeating this cycle 3 times within 40 seconds. Press the lock button on the key fob you are trying to program. Repeat this process for the unlock button. Test the fob's functionality by locking and unlocking the doors. Finally, remove the key. If programming is successful, the doors should respond to the fob. Note that only up to 3 fobs can be programmed at once. If you encounter issues like a flashing check engine light or the car not starting, the immobilizer system may not be reset properly, and professional assistance might be needed. Ensure your fob battery is new and that the fob is an OE fob for best compatibility. If issues persist, consult your Mazda owner's manual or online Mazda forums for model-specific advice.